Yeah, you're gonna have to go out.
Let's go. We're together here. We're a crew.
All right, I'll count down from 3. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, wow, she's beautiful.
Hello, my name is Bill. I've been here in Cortlandt Manor for 32 years, and I think it's very important that we remember our history and the history of this country and the history of this town. This dedication of this cannon puts me in mind of my great-great-great-grandfather, who spent time in the Army, Grand Army of Potomac, and spent time in Andersonville and survived, John Kelly. I think we need to really pay attention to our history, or else we're going to forget it. We're going to forget where we're from. We're going to forget who we are.
I'm just happy to see that this cannon had been restored to its proper condition. I remember first seeing it years ago when, it was in pretty sorry shape, and we're trying to find out the story, and well, the story's been uncovered. It's been publicized. The cannon is here, and as a history fanatic, I think it's wonderful.
Congratulations all.
Yeah.